So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about," which I was talking about AI art. Whatever, he's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol. So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. Macs are good. They're just solid. They're kind of just like dependable more than anything. I mean, if you want control over your system at all, don't get a Mac. If you want to can overclock and go beyond the capabilities of a normal computer, don't get a Mac. It is what it is. It's as is, you know what I mean? It's just, you know, all the companies I've worked for, they just provide a MacBook Pro when you start working for them, so you kind of get used to it. When I was doing my freelance days and when I had to provide my own machines, I always had a PC laptop, or I never wanted to shell out for the money. Now it's very important. It allows me to trimulcast, you know, 3 different places at the same time. Linux, I've never used Linux, honestly. I know a lot of people do, and a lot of people like it. Especially with, you know, it's come a long way. I've never learned or done anything that I wasn't getting paid for. There's only so much time in the world, so much time in your life. I'll be honest, I was working for my first real job where I was post-production coordinator. I was doing like high volume photo retouching, and I was driving an hour there and back. I was stuck in traffic all the time, and I got a motorcycle, and even that wasn't that great. You know, I'd get there quicker and stuff, but the work was just so stale, and I wanted to be a web developer. And I got in a motorcycle accident, crushed my foot, ended up having to go to the hospital, and I was in the hospital for a week. Other than when they were trying to reset the bones and stuff, it was probably the best experience I had in a while. Just laying in bed for a week, people bringing me food, just knowing that I had the ultimate excuse to not work and like reset. I felt like this is great. Like, I need this break. And I knew I wasn't going to get it unless it was forced on me, because I never took time off or vacations. I'm still that way. It's really hard for me to take time off. It's harder on me. If you're really worried about, you know, your interactions online, get a VPN and then say you're coming from the UK, because every website, I'm a website programmer, I know this, every website has super strict GDPR rules now, and we try to have the least amount of restrictions on the cookies that we can run, the scripts we can run. So any inch that we can get to like add another script on the page or add another cookie, we'll do it, because it's better for marketing purposes. It's better for dynamic content, that kind of stuff. I mean, it's not really like nefarious, but if you want to be safe, GDPR makes it almost impossible for websites to track anything without explicit consent. That's the difference. GDPR rules, they require you to opt in, whereas California and all these other laws, they require you to opt out. But on first load, you're getting tracked, right? All right, let's see if you can guess the song with screaming instead of singing. Did you get it? Graham, the main character, invents personal wormhole transportation. It's attached to his watch. I mean, he created a watch holster for his device. And eventually it's embedded in his mechanical arm. I have an affinity for mechanical arms, as you can see. I always loved them. I think I got ruined by Full Metal Alchemist when I was a kid. And then every time I see mechanical arms, I'm just like, why not me? And I know that's stupid. My arm. Yeah, my loyal crew. Pretty crazy prosthesis. Happy Friday Eve. From me cutting my arm off, so. You know, like. We did it. We made it. Oh, you found your old hoverboard? Yeah, I think I got one too kicking around the garage.
That's better. Right? Yeah. Much better. You don't have the charger. Yeah, you might be able to find just one on Amazon or something. Like $5. Hey, look. We got a new follower. I heard that. What up? New follower? What was it? Something about King? I heard something about King. Let's check the list. Big King. What up, buddy? Welcome to the party. The WordPress party. The random WordPress video game party. With my sword acrobatics. La 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 la. Heavy attack. Heavy attack. Wait. Heavy attack. There you go. Heavy attack. Charge attack. So I gotta animate that. Alright. Holy crap, I'm tired. You have the go-kart extension? Oh, nice. With the extra wheels and stuff, and you can steer it. That's funny. Funny enough, my wife wants that. She saw it and she's like, oh, I want. I'm like, when the hell would you use that? Like she's out riding around town on her hoverboard. That sword pulling animation is sick. Thanks, man. Yeah, came out kind of cool. Just with like a transition. Some of it gets a little funky, but heavy attack. Heavy attack. Left looks better. I don't know why right looks like it's flipping like crazy. She can take yours? Sick. Yeah, we got it for the kids. We got a hoverboard. It was the Razor brand. Kind of cheapy Razor brand. You'll ship it. Probably cost less to just buy one. Yeah, so I finished cutting all the pieces for the frames and then putting everything on the walls and installing all the goddamn crown molding. Here, I'll show you a picture. If it has posted yet. Oh yeah. So here is the in progress. What I've been doing. So I had to cut all these beams to size because they didn't come in the right size. And I had to put them up completely perfectly spaced and square. Yeah. So this has been fun. A fun project so far. Let's see. I thought I had a picture of the crown molding. Oh, I think I do. Yeah, whatever. You can't really see much with the crown molding. It's only like a 1-inch piece. It's not like a massive crown molding, but yeah, I'm fucking dead. Working on this all week. The lower sword thing's cool. Yeah. Yeah, it does. It kind of looks like it's magically flipping around. I definitely want to put some like hand animations in there at some point, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. Still kind of looks like he's drawing it. Except for that one. Looks like it's just kind of floating around him. Big attack. Big attack. Big attack. Big attack. You finally made a thumbnail for the YouTube video? Oh, hell yeah. Let's check it out.
I should be subscribed, right? Little Evie.
What the hell is Jalab?
Hello guys, today I'm going to be explaining what Jalab is. So Jalab is an idea that my friend made where you can record on the website.
Nice.
It'll have like a full recording studio, and then when you feel that it's good, you can publish it to the songs category, and then other people can Jalab on it. And then when you Jalab on something, you can add like vocals or instruments in the recording studio. You can add on to the song until it completes like a full song, you know. I mean, I think it's a pretty cool idea. I don't know how he came up with that. I don't know how he's so creative. He wrote his own book. I mean, yeah. I think it's a pretty cool idea.
Good shout outs.
And that's what Jalab is, and that's what I'm working on. I'll make a video, I'd say tomorrow or in a few hours, showing some of the things that Jalab offers and stuff. But if you want to check out the early
like the
demo,
whiteboard
you can go
guy
to
the whole time.
jalab.verso.app.
Nice. That's cool, man. Yeah, I'll have to comment on that later. Later. But, God, what time is it? Oh, that's right. I think we know what time it is. Such time. Exactly. We all knew it, but I said it. All right. Fantastic. Time to get scotch. That's scotch time. It's very important. Ooh, damn. 3.3k more. We're almost to the major rush cover. What you say my company is gonna be good. Purple? Yeah, green bar is health, purple is mana, blue is charge. Charge for transportation. Yeah, blue's like transportation energy. So it runs out, so you can't transport like non-stop. When you redeem it, you better be rushing to... Yeah, it should be pretty good. So tomorrow my wife comes back into town. I have to pick her up at the airport later, like 9 or 10. So stream might be tough tomorrow. Alright, cardboard junk stuff. 1096. Thank you for coming. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Crazy man. Yeah. Oh, this is a true statement. Oh, my back. So I know what we were doing. We created these attack strength custom fields, and they are saving. but I don't have a need to use them yet. Though we need to make the tatami mats only die after a certain amount of hits. I think we'll give them a health bar, maybe. Maybe. You got hired? Hired to what? Somebody hired you? You got a job? That's pretty cool. A little early to start ruining your life. So let's redo the tatami mats. I want to change their size and I want to give them health. So now I'm kind of thinking I should turn them into enemies. Maybe I should. We'll make the tatami mats enemies. Give them a health bar. You're the point counter for your teacher. Point counter? What kind of points? What are these points you speak of? I wonder. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make these tatami mats. But that means we need a new enemy type. We need a static enemy that doesn't shoot anything. If you get 25 points, we get 15 minutes free time. Oh, nice. Got it, got it. It's like house points. 50 points to Gryffindor. So how do I handle enemies? Okay, so we have enemies right here. These are specific data points. We have health, speed, enemy type. Okay, so enemy type is the thing I need to add to. Enemy type. Enemy type. It's right here. Right, yo. Okay. Apparently, it's a text value? Oh, let's see the actual meta box. That's weird. Oh, enemy meta box. I forgot I made that. Oh, that's right. I made it a radio. I thought radios didn't work though. For your math teacher, we already did the 25 point thing, so we're at the... No, nice. Celsius are so good. Yeah, I'm not really into energy drinks. I think they're supposed to be like healthier though. So we'll do shooter, runner, and then we'll just do enemies that just kind of stand there and you have to like... And maybe it's not necessarily an enemy that hits you back. It's maybe like I said, it could just be a blockade. So it's called a blocker type. So blocker types just have health bars, and you just have to hit them enough times to get rid of them. Okay, that should work. So let's create a new enemy. Let's call it Tatami Mat. And we'll just match the same crap. Oop, something broke. Something broke. It does not like something I did. Why not? I don't know. Well, we're gonna have to find out. They're a lot healthier? Okay. Not a lot of, like, sugar, maybe. Cell blockers. Interesting. That'd be very smart. To be honest. Wouldn't it be hard to do? I mean, cell blockers are pretty cheap. Let's see. Cell phone blocker. Yeah, so you can... Nope. These are not what I was talking about. Cell phone signal blocker. These are like personal blockers. Talking about like signal blockers. Can you not just buy a cell phone blocker? Your school doesn't use Yonder pouches? Oh. Is that what? Okay, so do some schools do that? Like they make you put your phone in this pouch and it blocks the signal? That's crazy. Hold up. This is pissing me off. So wait, cell phone signal blocker. Cell phone signal jammers and blockers. Okay, let's see what we got. Jammer store. That's gross. Okay, here we go. Portable mini jammer. 250 bucks? Okay. I was mistaken. Desktop jammer. Drone jammer. Oh, imagine. Imagine some asshole is always flying a drone around and you can just be like, point the jammer at their drone while they're flying it and it just falls. That's worth $2,000. That's pretty damn funny. All frequencies, desktop jammer. Oh, I said I assumed they meant desktop computer, not on your watch. Okay, let me look at what a Yonder pouch is. How it works. Creates phone-free spaces for artists, educators. Here. Yeah, look at that. You just throw it on in. So it only blocks it if you're near this puck or something? How it works. Upon entering, put it in this pouch. Once inside the phone-free area, the pouch is locked. You will maintain possession of your phone at all times. Oh, so this is like the only way to unlock it is use this magnet. To use your phone anytime, step outside the phone-free zone and tap your phone on the unlocking base. Dude. Well, how much are these? Schools. I want to buy one. How much is it? They must be expensive. Ooh, weddings. Yeah, get the fuck out of my wedding with your goddamn phone. Yonder. Get in touch. Wait, what the fuck? So you can't even buy this. You have to like contact them. How annoying. I mean, honestly, it doesn't seem like it should be that expensive. That's not that complicated. It's like a fucking, like a alcohol, you know, thing that they have at the grocery stores. They just use a magnet to unlock it. You know what I mean? It is a slick design, though. When they were selling those cell phone pouches for like 20 bucks. But it must be the locking mechanism. Who cares? Okay, I need to know why this editor is broken. What is the error you speak of? I don't know. Let's just look for an error. 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 Show me your error content, please. It would be helpful if you showed me. Undefined array key, explore enemy. What? In Metabox 361. Wrong one. Metabox class. Oh. Right. Right. So we should do this. Good. Now it won't break. Just kidding. It still broke. What's the next error? Why do you hate me? Fatal error. Array merge. Argument is a string, probably. What? This is all that new shit I added. 64. 64. Doop doop. Metadata PT. Ba 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 da 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 da. If it's okay, but if it's not, it's a string. Okay, well, obviously metadata will only work if it's an array. So if metadata PT is an array, I only care about what I need at the time. Yeah, right. Is that where values comes from though? I can't do that then. Oh, okay. Come on, fuck off, dude. Give me that. Okay, there we go. Try again. You're playing a card game named Ubuntu, and the only thing you could think of was the OS. That's what I'm thinking when you said that. I'm like, oh, they made a card game? Sounds boring. Okay, so this is going to go in the condo. It's going to be a tatami post. Yeah. And it's going to be here. So, okay. That's runner blocker. Okay, I need to change the HTML on that. But okay, that's going to be a blocker. Health. This is what I wanted to do. So this is going to have 100 health. I don't need to put anything else. It does need a trigger. It just sits there. Yeah, the only thing I need to do now is add the same coordinates. And then I got to remove the other tatami mats. Doot 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 doot. Give me your coordinates. I want it. Doop da boop bap doop boop. Give me all your coordinates. I want them. I also want your image. I do like the tatami image. I think I got that from AI. 100 by 35. Now, we should give you points when you kill him, so we'll give you 50 points. And this should be it, other than the image. So now we have the image. So this should just show up. Though I don't have any logic right now for, let's draft these bitches. Yeah. So I'll just draft this one because it has the same coordinates. Actually, now let's draft them all. Forget it. Real quick. Quick edit. Okay. So now if we go here, we should see an enemy show up. Or it should error out the page. Because I don't have blocker yet. Okay, or nothing happens. That's also an option. Ooh, 250 views on YouTube. Hell yeah, man. I like it. It's great. Keep it up. Keep up with the content, you know? You get more and more. I personally don't get more views anymore. I get the same amount like every video. I didn't even put out a short today. I've just been working on the damn room all day. So, I, for once, have not posted anything today. 3K more. $3K more what? Alright, let's see. Do we have an enemy here? We do have an enemy, styling wise. Okay, he's right here. Good. Oh! Nothing saved. Fantastic. Why? Why you no save? Something's up. Nothing saved. Fan-fucking-tastic. Alright, hold on. What has changed? I know I haven't used enemy in a while. Let's see. There must be something wrong with the save function. Oh, 3K dormants. Hell yeah. What you say about us company? You're gonna hear some high singing, man. That's all I'm telling you. And I can do it. I have the 80s rock range. Ooh, dishwasher's done. You made an app for your Fire Stick. How'd you do that? You plugged your Fire Stick in and uploaded something to it? That's really cool. What does it do? Yeah, because we already have enemy type. And it... But... Save enemy... So that's fine. Enemy type. Fine. This should work. I don't see anything wrong. Oh, you put a game on. Kotlin in ADB. Oh, you uploaded to it wirelessly. Sick. That's kind of cool. I feel like there is potential for that. Whoa, what the hell just happened? My CPU just said it was negative 10,000%. OBS, you crazy. Okay, I don't see what the big fucking deal is here. This should be working fine. Let's double check the enemy minute box again. Alright, let's put another BR here. Enemy type, yes, yes. Yes. Blocker. Okay, so nothing is wrong about this. Though... Nothing saved. That's what's kind of screwing with me. Which is annoying. Let's try this again. We'll go here. Let's at least add something. Android Studio, when you click the run button, it just pops up on the TV and runs immediately. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I guess TVs are just big computers now. Shitty computers, but condo saved, so I know it's saved. Is there logic that's like blocking if it doesn't? Let's see. Let's double check the enemy save. So we get this post type. We're getting this junk, which is good. Filter input post, great. Blah blah blah. Yeah, it should just take all the inputs. And this is definitely one of them. Yes. Oh, wait a second. All that other stuff is being saved here. So, enemy needs to be part of... Okay, that's the problem. Wonk. We need to add this to the list. Pop. If we want to use it, which I do. Okay. In that case, let's do this again. And unfortunately, even though I started an hour late, I'm probably not going to be staying on much later than usual. I just want to see if I can get this enemy working. Value's 50. Let's try this out again. Oh, that saved. Nice. And so did the health. No. Did it? Did I put 100? Alright. Okay. Great. So that was it. Let's try this out. Boop. Up. Yay! We have an enemy. Okay. Now, will hitting this thing actually hurt it? Let's check. So it gives us 50 points. Once it dies, the health is 100. Let's see if the health goes down. Whack. Oh, it does. Back, 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 back. Schmack. Schmack, 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 schmack. Heavy attack. Heavy attack. Heavy attack, heavy attack. Heavy attack. Heavy attack. Charge attack. Go. And it should die after this hit. It should die after this hit. I forgot it doesn't die at 0. It dies once it's at 0. Should probably fix that. Alright, now. Did I get points? I didn't check. Will he come back? Okay, good. So the enemy death logic still works. And it seems like I don't actually have to add any logic for the blocker. It's just if you choose blocker, then nothing else is selected, so it doesn't do the other things. That's good. Though it would be funny to see a tatami mat chase you around. Alright, well, now we need to change the actual health based off of the weapon you chose. And, oh, I think that's what I was looking into doing. I need to see the health values. Which it would be nice if it was here. Strength. Well, that's good. What? Why is strength 0 though? Got the height, value. Okay, well I definitely add strength for some reason, so let's see. I can definitely use strength data. Strength. Okay, so it's not part of the class, so that's not great. Must just be part of the HTML directly. Where is it? Alright, data strength. Right here. And that is equip ID value. Okay, so it is the value. And I do have value up on the storage item, but it's not working. Alright. So I'll hijack strength. And instead of using this, I'll use maybe a JSON array of the different options. That means I'm going to build it though, that array. Which I can do. So it'll be weapon strength equals get post meta. That's not what I wanted. What is it doing? Get post meta. Oh, equipped weapon ID. Yeah. Equipped weapon ID. No. It's going to be explore attack. So now I have an array. Now I'll just JSON encode the array. Maybe. WP JSON encode. I think that'll work. Let's see. And then we'll put it here. Well. ESC attribute. Weapon strength. Cool. Let's see what that looks like. Exploded. Nope. It did not explode. Ah, look at that. Perfect. We got normal, heavy, and charged. Cool. So that's good for on load, but what if you select the weapon like this, and I equip the big ol' fists? Data strength doesn't update. That is a problem. So I need to save the strength to the storage items themselves. Again, this is on load, so data height width, blah blah blah. And we also need data strength. Is there specific data just for weapons? There should be. Current gear equipped. Gear type. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, so if it's weapon or gear. Okay, so we're gonna need this. True equals weapon and gear. Cool. Which we'll put right here. Weapon and gear. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. You dumb. Your storage items are where? I think that would come from here. Alright. Where's X coming from? God damn it. One more. That would be here. Oh, good. I have a spot for that. Ah, fucker. Okay, when I do that. So this band that's playing right now was my last band. Like last official band where I like played shows and, you know, recorded albums and stuff. And I actually joined them. They were already a band. They had a singer that they replaced. And it was cool. They had, you know, they did some cool shows. And they seemed pretty popular in their own right. But, yeah. Their old songs were okay. This was one of their old songs that they wanted to keep and re-record, so I re-recorded it with them. But I changed all the lyrics and a lot of the melody too. I don't remember if they asked me to or not. I think they might have. Like they didn't want to keep it the same song. They just liked playing it. Okay, so weapons and gear. Oh, weapon and gear. Yeah, I'll say weapons. Okay, so weapons and gear. Didn't do that. So I need the same thing right here. This is a mess. Do. Alright, Mexico. Do. Data attack. No, data strength. Equals. Echo WP JSON encode. And this is going to be item ID. Yes. Attack equals get pushed meta item ID explore close attack. So we're gonna do false equals empty attack. Shaboom. Nope. Otherwise, blah. Alright. That works. Let's see if it works on load. Nope. Oh. Hmm. Wasn't I doing that down here? Maybe I was doing a check somewhere here. Let's see. Because I know it was being used here. Oh, maybe it needs to check this. Okay. That's fine. I could do that. Which would mean I don't need this anymore. So if blah and blah. Okay, that sounds better. I didn't know it was the whole thing. Wait, what? Still wrong. False equals empty. Blah 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 type. I don't see the problem here. I was doing the exact same thing before. Well, let's add this back. I don't think that's the problem. Interesting. Wee woo. You do. I agree. You look just like Buddy Holly. And you know what? I'm Mary Tyler Moore. But I don't care what you say about us anyway. Alright. Let's try again. Go. Okay, it worked. Do we have... Yes, data strength. Yes. I don't care about that. Yeah, me neither. Something, knock on the door. Yeah, I had to sing that. Not that part. I mean, that was kind of fast, but in Say It Ain't So, they definitely had a fast part that I had to sing even faster. Because we sped it up. I think it was the Dear Daddy. All right. Welp. Now that we have strength there, we can call upon that when we equip the item. So that's good. But how it gets there in the first place, I do not know. So let's say equip. First, let's do equip button. So if you if you click the equip button, you'll also need to get its strength. So selected item, yeah, like this. So current weapon image, no. Current weapon, we'll do weapon, data set, strength. I'll do selected item, data set, strength. Should be a 1-to-1. I mean, like, I could just make an item equipped in the menu and not have to bring the data down, but I just think it's easier this way. Even though it's a little redundant that they're in both places. The menu, I want it to be a little bit agnostic. That's why I have an equip button and stuff. So, we got the strength now, so that's good. Let's just double check it works. But then, now, I need to use that strength when I'm hitting people. So add character hit. So this has all my new charge shit and whatnot. A modern day warrior. Mean pride. Today's Tom Sawyer. Mean stride. Yep. Though his mind is not for rent. Not for him that is ignorant. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Cause dude sings inflections like a fucking psychopath. And to match what he's doing exactly is going to be a ref. Cause I always like to redo the singing part first. And then I add the screams on it. I am still building SAS. Literally. Yeah, right. So let's see what this does. Doop. So now I have the fist. And let's look at the weapon. And let's make sure that the data strength changes. So right now it has no data strength. But if I select this, boop. Shit, that did not work. Why do you have no strength? You do have strength. Oh, okay. It's because of the formatting. I always forget about that. Hold on. Explore. Storage. Where's the WP encode I just added? Strength. Yeah. You can't add those when you're doing encode. And let's see, where's the weapon? Here's the equip weapon. What? Oh, here it is. Okay, same thing. Weapon strength must not have those. Okay. Grand. Try it again. You know you're smart if someone asks you for answers. I need answers. Correct. Alright, let's check. Does strength work? Okay, that's what it looks like. Perfect. And let's look here. Let's look at the weapon. Strength looks good. Let's switch. And now there is... oh shit. Well, that's not ideal. So if it doesn't have it, I don't want to pass anything. So let's data set strength. So yeah, only if it does not equal that. Undefined does not equal. No. It kind of just looked like it was empty. Selected item dot data set dot strength. I mean, they all should have it, but yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, we can leave this alone, but I need to make sure that it has empty if it doesn't exist. So let's do this first, actually. Explore, attack. So if did I read? Oh, someone asked me for answers and they told me to send it to them. But I decided to not send it to them so they can do it themselves. Answers, got it. Like answers to homework or a test. Ah, that makes more sense. I need answers. Exactly. Those are the wonderful lyrics. Something, 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 something. So false equals empty. And otherwise, we'll just make it empty. Okay, so that's there. What about here? There's a strength. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this. Right. So false equals empty. Okay, so that's actually correct. Wait, false equals empty attack. Yeah. Whoops. Let's try again. Go. What do we got? Okay, let's try equipping a sword. Alright. Proper JSON. Let's try equipping this, which has nothing. Not alright. Still not working. Motherfucker. Why are you doing this to me? Fist. Okay, so data strength is still giving me one fucking double quote for some goddamn reason. What did I add a quote? Data strength. Maybe here I need to add it. Oh, maybe I should do this. Aha. That'll probably do it. Yeah, it can't just be empty there. Actually, that might be the same for here. Let's look again. Okay. So now, I mean, that's not what I want, but whatever. Go. Good. Switch back. Yep, that's fine. Now it's empty. Okay. Oh, we're good. Great. So now when we attack, let's go to the attack and let's read the data strength. Where was the hit part? Hit character. Okay. So where does it do how much life to take? Add user points. No, that's mana. Let's shoot projectile. Heavy attack. You know, it's not here. It's where it intercepts. So this actually wouldn't be where the health I take away goes. So let's look for hit. Add character hit. No, it would be in the Miro explore position probably. Yeah, where's the part where I interact with a weapon? That's way down here. Yeah, weapon L. Okay, here we go. So, in what point do I take somebody's life? Or at least take their health. Does not look like I'm doing that here. Let's look up hurt. Hurt the enemy. Here we go. So I must be doing a separate check here for that. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, if enemy's health is... If 0 is greater than... Okay, yeah, I think that's what I need to do. I need to do like... If 1 is less than enemy health. No, is greater than enemy health. Because that way... The river. That way, it should actually take their health away. Okay, where's the -5? Okay, here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay. So this -5 is not going to be attack strength. And it'll be based off of the attack type. How do you spell attack strength? Okay. That looks right. Let's check the DMs.
Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching. When the saints go march. When the saints go march. When the saints go marching in. Bum.
Was that supposed to be me? It kind of looks like me. Oh, okay. It just put my face on somebody else. Oh, okay. It's a nice PNG. That's a spicy meatball. Okay. I do want to change this to fetch, but for now, we'll leave it. So yeah, attack strength is going to come from the weapon itself. So we'll do it here. Attack strength equals weapon. The weapon. The weapon. Data set. Attack. Oh, strength. Okay. Oh, no. Wrong spot. What? Okay. But I don't just want this. Because I have to parse this, which will create a JSON string. I mean a JSON object. And then I need to know what kind of attack I'm using. Oh, so I can check based off of the class. So yeah. Const attack type equals true equals weapon. The weapon. All right, let's see.
Marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, yes, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching, when the saints go march, when the saints go march, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go
But they have
marching
another
in.
song.
Oh, when the saints
That's
go
funny.
marching.
AI's gross. Okay. Attack type is weapon class list contains. So, if it contains heavy attack, nope, heavy engage, then we know it's a heavy attack. Heavy. Otherwise, normal. And then we'll make this a let actually, so that I can do it again. Equals true. Let's do this. Equals charge. How does charge work? Charge works like so. It goes charge engage. Charge attack engage. Charge attack engage. Then it's charged. Is it charged or charge? Charged. Otherwise, attack type. Cool. Grand. And then we'll use attack type because it's parsed, and we'll use attack strength dot, oh no, attack type. And attack type. Alright, that should work. So now it should be stronger, depending on what time attack you use. Alright, let's see the best one. And then it's time to go.
Today. But first, let's head downstairs.
If I pick it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I sweep it up, can you handle that?
It definitely looks like me running.
For this work, now watch me throw it back.
I'm really excited about what we have to show you today. But first, let's head downstairs.
If I pick it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough?
It's so. I know it's kind of shitty quality, but it's like it's really creepy.
Ready for this work now. Watch
What the hell?
it gon' eat.
I'm really excited about.
That's awesome. All right. I have an idea. Let us do what I know what we should do, and that is raid. Let us raid. We shall raid some unsuspecting fool and then attack them. We have a lot of people we can do. Wait, Tethergeist? When the hell did I start? Oh, no. Scramble of Pugs. Should we do Corrosion? Do our daily Corrosion attack? He's not on. Womp, womp, womp. We missed him. We could raid Moist Critical. He's not doing anything special. Silent Hill 2. Drinking Code? Can also do Jadem, the Australian guy. That guy was cool. Or Grumble of Pugs. Tinkerer Red always appreciates it. Oh, he's gaming too today. Let's do Tinkerer Red. Because Drinking Code's not on either. Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, he's also gaming. Yeah, let's do Tinkerer Red. He doesn't have anybody watching him. Alright, let's see the last one. Oh, hell yeah. It's just the weird hair. Oh, I'm not showing. Yeah, that's good. Alright. See ya, dudes. Catch you in Tinkerer Red.